Hi, introducing today how to active product compare module. The function in the compare module is to show the differences between two products side by side. To enable this module, we need to go for Settings first. Click on Modules and look for Product Compare. Click on it and enable Product Comparison module. And then you will get another customizing area named Page. However, you can change the product's loop button position into 5 different positions. Plus, you can customize its button text, product added text, browse compared text, product removed text, etc. On the other hand, in the page, there is compare page. There are a lot of pages. Among them, you have to find out the compare one for this. There is show field list. It means how many and what features you want to add into your compare product. You can exclude or include any one from here. Now go to the shop page for looking our compare module customization. This is the compare button. Once you click on it, this product will be added on the compare page. And you can see the differences between your products according to the selected field list. This is how you may active product compare module in ShopBuilder plugin. Thank you for watching.